Hello ạ. Thôi. Cho mọi người thấy gấp nào. Tức là cho ông gấp nè. Cho mọi người thấy gấp lên. Ông gấp rồi, cho ông gấp nè. Thấy chưa? Thấy chưa nè? Còn cái bên đầu nói với thời gấp rồi.
What? No, I've got the truck's phone right
Normally don't do this.
Hello ạ. Hello ạ. Gấp mà, gấp mà. Ra đây. Ui.
Smile, Brian. Is that the original one, the original costumes? No. Oh, that's it. Brian looks so serious.
I wasn't ready for that.
There he goes.
I saw it pop up and I was like, oh no.
You look so serious. That was good.
Nó có một mấy vừa cắt cho sinh ồ. Mấy, không có gì ok.
Jadi buat
Dân thì 20 kỳ quá. Dân thì cũng tụi nó. Thì tôi mới thấy vui hả? Đây là cái. Dạ.
Okay, welcome friends and family. We're gathered here this afternoon to witness and to celebrate the marriage of Brian and May. Brian and May met 6 years ago at work, starting a friendship based on their mutual interests. Soon after, we're having a problem. Soon after getting to know each other, Brian was transferred to another store. But they continued their friendship and remained in contact. As time passed, they found many more things in common, and their relationship flowered into the solid love and commitment that we are here to celebrate today. Brian is a many-generational American, and May has lived here since she was a young child. Her family migrated from Laos to Thailand and then on to America when May was about 1 year old. As you can see, despite an American upbringing, she and her family remain very connected to their mien roots. Their traditional garbs celebrate those roots and the traditions that they represent. Marriage always has its complications, along with its great many rewards. And a multicultural marriage can have both more complications and even more rewards. As both persons experience and share their cultures, I speak from experience here. My wife is Vietnamese and has been in the country just a little over 5 years. This mutual exploration of cultures is interesting, rewarding, and is a part of this couple's strength. Now, vows are a traditional thing in a marriage, and May and Brian have written their own vows to give each other. So, Brian, would you please step up and say your vows to May?
Well, tradition with making memories, I suppose. I cannot find my vows on my phone. But I do remember a lot of it. And I just wanted to say that I've been in a few relationships that were not so good. I never thought a relationship that we have could ever be possible. And I've learned being with you that I can actually truly be happy with the person I'm with. That's something I've never been able to experience, and I never ever thought that would be a reality for me. I never thought I would ever ask anyone to marry me. You definitely changed that for me, and you have no idea how much that means for me. I just wanted to vow that I will do everything to support you, everything that you do, and always be there for you in the good times, the bad times, and everything in between. Because as he said, we definitely have our strengths, and I look forward to discovering even more of those with you. Never found a weakness, and we might even find those at some point. But I did just want to say that even from the first time that we talked, I just knew there was a strong connection. I even expressed it at one point that I felt like I've known you for decades. And I just wanted to say I'm incredibly happy to be with you. And I'm looking forward to being able to spend the rest of my life with you.
May, I'd like to see your house to Brian.
So, you know, I don't express my feelings very well, but I'm going to try today. I'm happy to say that standing here in front of you makes today even more special. Why? Because this is the beginning of our new journey. Good morning. Yeah, This is your microphone. I want to thank you for having me and your parents for accepting me. They were so loving when I first met them, warming and inviting. I knew I liked them instantly. So both of you, thank you. Brian, I want to let you know that you can count on me by your side, and whatever trouble we get, I know we can pull it through. I've never said these 3 words, but I'm going to say it now. I love you, and this will be the only time you hear me say it.
All right, in keeping with tradition, Ryan and they have each brought a token of their love and devotion for each other. Would the ring bearer please bear the rings? Brian, will you please place your ring on May's finger, then repeat after me. With this ring, I be wed. Now, May, you place your ring on this finger, and repeat after me. With this ring, I be wed. Now, Brian, do you take this woman May to be your lawfully wedded wife? Absolutely. Positively. Hey, do you take this man Brian to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Now, biotechnology here. Okay, well, I see before me now is a fine couple. They respect each other, they celebrate their cultures, and have a love capable of growing and prospering over a lifetime. May you remain happy and committed as you are here today by the power vested in me by the state of California and the county of Sacramento. I now pronounce you husband and wife. May you wish you Ladies and gentlemen, may I be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Brian Satalis and May Saturn.
Remember, the sides get the That's a good sized piece.
They cut it successfully.
Brian behind it.
But that is also nice. Yeah, that's a knife.
He's done.
Came by the ocean. That song.
And there's plenty more of the bright choking where that came from. You wait.
The pearl.
I think I did. I hope I did. Well, that's some in a little bit.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Yeah, well, I'll figure it out. Well, let's eat coffee.
What happened, bro? Did you get a haircut? You can do that 2 ways in the week.
Đừng có quỳnh như vụ ho quỳnh đâu á. Mãi dịch lông ho. Thế là có quỳnh như vụ mà tôi không áo thì không hút. Nó mới đi mà. Có xíu á. Mai em á. Hút tiền á. Ba, mình hút tan bia hút rồi.
Yeah. Well, we went back to Texas and I was it's so green and pretty and my mom is going to turn 90 this year and my dad's like 40 care. And she goes, well, you have to wait till I go. She said you have to shoot me before you can go. And I'm the one that does most of the care. Dad isn't at home, but I had to sit there in the hospital. So it's like, I'm not going to shoot you. I'm just going to risk my age. Your mom? We're hired at the time.
Xếp cửa thiết cho mình đã.
dia buat pun dia luar.